Hello guys, so I'm going to be running TikTok ad right now for you. So this is what my TikTok look like when you just go to your TikTok. So there are two ways to go to your to start running TikTok ad. If you can see this TikTok this thing called TikTok Studio, you can click it here, or you can go over to these three dots and click TikTok Studio. And when you click TikTok Studio, you just go to promote. And when you click on promote, it's going to load up like this. The next thing you need to do is you need to select your objective. Are you looking for boosting account? Are you looking for getting sales? Are you looking for getting leads? So what I want to do right now is to boost accounts. And in boost account, there are many ways to do it. Do you want more views? Do you want more followers? And do you want more views? The last time I did more views, in fact, this ad is still running from 0 to almost
If you want
300
to
and
end the
something with
year
over
on flex, you want to actually
with
start
over
attaining
2,000
your
something
goals,
views
then you need to
and
watch this video.
300 and something likes. This is massive. That means it really works. I kid you not, because I checked what, see what it was there before. See what was there before. 150 something views, and and this one I already even screenshotted it when the ad was running. So and it's not even up to 24 hours, but you can see I already
If you want
have
to
these
end the
views
year,
and I'm already having that like. So this, it means that TikTok reach and give me ad, and you can see there's a lot of followers. I've been getting a lot of followers and likes since just for that video. So follow used to work well. So let's go back to our this thing. You just go back to TikTok Studio. Now go to promote. Like I said, more views used to work very, very well, but today I'm going to be testing more followers. More followers is very important. Let's see how whether we can get more followers today. So there are two ways I can do it. Normally I will just click start and but I want to set it by myself. So I'm going to click custom promotion, and I'm going to set the budget. Let me change the budget to like 1.5 per day. Let me change the budget to 1.5 per day. Even though this is a risk, should I just do 1.5 per day? Um, let's just do 1.5 and confirm. So 1.5 per day, and it's going to be just 1 day. Oh, what did I do again? I went back. Choose a custom. So they said define your audience. So first thing I'm going to do is to click on custom audience. Then I'm going to I can allow them to define my audience for me. I can choose by myself, but I want to be wise to just leave TikTok to do their thing since it's a new algorithm. So let them give me the most. Then the next thing I'll do is to set my budget, which is 1.5. So I now need to choose my content. I click on this place, the middle, click on that middle place. Then the first one is already moving and it has 2.2k. So let me just use the second one, why you should create a digital product. Sorry, I'm not giving my hand illustration, but I hope you understand. So I'm going to click on promote this one. So you can see 2.2k. So and the goal is get more followers, more followers. So the next thing is, and the followers, and the way they are going to be giving me follower is by giving me video views. Am I right? Why did this thing turn back to um why this thing turn back to I thought I was doing it custom. Well, because I'm not going to be setting anything, let me just go back to using this normal one. So instead of me setting it by myself, so since I'm not doing any targeting, audiencing and all, which is already there, so I'm just going to go to this one, 3k to 7k views, and they are going to be giving me, I don't know how many followers, but the objective is followers. So with that being said, I'm just going to click on stats. When I click on stats, it's going to be paying. I think I already have some money in the account. So when it's paying for the ads, it's just going to come like this. I can see it's already under review. So when it's under review, that means TikTok is already working on it. So that is good. More followers objective. So Nothing you can do here again. Just wait for TikTok to like approve it. So if we want to check whether our stuff is going, then we'll just go to pending. We'll just go to pending, check pending. Okay, there's nothing pending under review. Then we'll see this one here, it's under review. Then let's check the one active. The one that is active is this one I ran yesterday. What I ran yesterday was for the budget is for how much? The budget is for I did a budget of 900 and something naira for some views, and today I have gotten over 972 views from, and it's working. I will not lie for you, it's really working. Age, grade, region, Lagos, interest, like see the interest, and it's giving me all the insights. So beautiful. So let's even check what is there. So it's a day, you can see the budget 999, almost 1000 naira. So TikTok ads is almost very good if you want more eyeballs on your stuffs. So I'm just going to check completed. Nothing is completed, then we'll just go to all. I'll go to all, and we find out that one is going, one is active, one is under review. So with that being said, this is how to run TikTok ads. So that is it. So see you on the, like I currently have 197 190 100 700 176 views. Yeah, but when I run this ad, I'm very sure that I'm going to be getting more views. With that being said, see you guys. And if you're just watching this, please, I want you to also follow me on TikTok, because I'm going to be really busy on this ad stuff. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day.